Can I block someone from viewing my WhatsApp status?
Hello there, welcome to this short tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to block someone from viewing your WhatsApp status. This is a great feature if you want to maintain a certain level of privacy on WhatsApp.
What is WhatsApp status?
WhatsApp status is a feature that lets you share text, photo, video, and GIF updates that disappear after 24 hours. You can control who can see your status update. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to restrict specific contacts from seeing your status updates.
Understanding WhatsApp's privacy settings.
WhatsApp provides a privacy setting for your status. By default, your status updates are set to be shared with all your contacts. However, you have the options to share your status updates with all your contacts. Only share with selected contacts. All your contacts except selected ones. In this case, we are interested in the last option.
How to block someone from viewing your WhatsApp status.
Let's go through the steps. 1. Open WhatsApp on your smartphone. 2. Tap the Status tab located at the bottom. 3. Tap on Privacy at the top left. 4. Under Who can see my status updates, select My contacts accept. 5. A list of your contacts will appear. Select the contacts you want to block from seeing your status updates. 6. Press Done. Congratulations! You've successfully blocked specific contacts from viewing your WhatsApp status. And that's how you block someone from viewing your WhatsApp status. Remember, your privacy is important and WhatsApp gives you the tools to manage it effectively. Hope this video has been helpful. If you have any more questions about WhatsApp or any other app, don't hesitate to ask. See you in the next video.